Let's start by examining our computer to check its accuracy. This is a scanner. It's a printer with a scanner, to mean it's a kit of computers or machines which prints and which scans. You are seeing here, it's where our inks are inserted. Let me open it. You are seeing there inside. I'm trying to show you pretty cool and how everything works. This is an inkjet here. It includes or it stores ink that our computer will use to print. Let me repeat this. It includes or it stores ink that our printer will use to print. Let me press it here in my beautiful table and let me extract out another ink that is used to print scanned documents. To mean it has dual print jets or ink jets. Well, you are seeing it's pretty good and pretty nice. Let me press it here and we are going to see inside how it pretty looks. As you are seeing, everything here in my printer is really cool and is really new. As you're seeing, let me try to insert it back so that I may start teaching you how to scan, how to print, all in one lesson or all in one tutorial video with only one printer. My printer, you're seeing, is really amazing and advanced as prints while it scan at the same time. Let me press on, power on. You are seeing here on an started operating. My computer is trying to launch. HP will load until it get, and let's wait a little bit to see. What guys. Let's wait to see if all will be completely well. You are seeing initialization has completed, but they are obliging or they are telling me to load papers. I have a bunch of papers in its file. Let me try to extract few of them and please import it in my printer so that anything I want to print will be using it as papers. They are A4 papers, the papers that are, well, the papers that I'll be using. You are seeing that I'm trying to put it in their tray and they are recognized by my computer. I'll press OK and my computer will be ready. Let me keep this trash in a trash bin. Well, there down, and let the ink and let the packet. Let me still teach you. I will pull down my scanner as you are seeing. Well, ready.